Just stopped nearby Nieuwoudtville, local people who is selling breads here. This is very unique here. And although they can't speak proper English, so my friend tried to help me to understand. And this is the bread they are preparing in the
Stone bread.
Stone bread. This is called stone bread. Okay, stone bread. It's very unique. I never, in my 8 years of stay in South Africa, never had a roadside street food. First time I'm going to have it. And they have this stone bread. They have some tomatoes here. You can see this is the tomatoes here, and they have meat also. I don't want meat. And this is a tomato, and there is other things which they also mix up with bread to have something like this.
Marmalade. Jam.
Jam. Okay. Made of
Jam, cheese, and
butter.
This is a butter. Okay, this is butter. Okay, and this is the cheese.
Yes.
and cheese.
Okay, great.
Cheese.
And you mix it up and prepare it for us. Okay.
Until they have much.
So this is how the breads are prepared here, and putting the butter. It's like normally how we do it, but you have prepared this bread in home. It's homemade bread. Okay, that's great.
Do
you want jam? No, I'm not a vegetarian, but I love vegetarians.
Okay.
I know why I'm saying so. I don't eat meat.
Okay.
I eat meat, only chicken.
Okay.
I'm not so in love with meat and sausage and mince and so on.
Okay.
Only chicken.
Okay.
No? But I love people that say I'm vegetarian.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Vegetables is good, rice and spaghetti and so on.
Yeah.
It's good, no? You can make the film.
Yeah, I'm doing it because I will be part of.
You're speaking is taking.
I'm taking all the.
Okay.
So your good words will go to the world.
Sorry?
Whatever you speak,
Okay.
these good things will go to the world. People will
Okay.
see my YouTube video
Okay, that's nice.
because I'm from India actually.
Okay, how long are you in Cape Town?
Cape Town almost 8 years.
It's long.
So I'm just in the verge of leaving Cape Town. So my friend told, let's go to this place. I've never been to this place.
Okay,
And that's why we came all the way in the morning to drive.
that's nice.
Now we'll check the waterfall.
Okay.
Now then we will go back to Cape Town. in the
Yes,
night.
you guys must have a safe trip, no?
Thank you
May
very much.
Allah protect you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Chutney, yeah, you can speak even chutney, the word chutney. Yeah, very nice.
Someone else was here, I'm at that side, and so he told me, put the sausage that
What is this dish named as? What we tell this?
Roosterbrood.
Why, sir? He said,
Roosterbrood.
Hosterboat.
Roosterbrood.
It's very strange to pronounce.
It's fine.
What we call this bread actually?
it's a roaster brood.
How we spell it?
Like in R-O-O-S-T-E-R, B-R-O-O-D, roaster brood. There's no other name for it.
It's unique here only. Nieuwoudtville it is unique.
In Nieuwoudtville, it's unique. Every year we are making this during the flower season.
Okay, the flower season.
Yes,
okay.
but during the year, I'm here
Okay.
at Nora's Plaas Kombuis.
And this is made up of wheat.
Sorry?
It is made up of wheat.
Yes, of wheat. Only white wheat flour.
White wheat. Okay.
Yes.
Great. Thank you
But
very
it's
much.
nice.
Ah, it's nice.
Enjoy
It's really I enjoy it. Thank you.
You can put this thing in.
Lekker.
Okay.
Nice
You
taste.
must put this also in there. See now?
So scared.
Put the crackers also in the bread.
Believe me, this is first time, as I told, in my 8 years of stay in Cape Town or in South Africa, I'm standing on the road and having a street food. I'm getting reminded of my Indian way of eating actually whenever we feel outside. Let's go to the waterfall. It's getting late.